Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy J Spence and this is J Spence TV. Let's get it. Welcome back. Today's a new day. As always, every day is a new day. But anyways, I'm actually not doing anything in regards to working on the car. Today I'm going to be heading over to a Subaru BBQ, which is actually about right in here in my neighborhood, about a 2-minute drive. I'm not going to vlog or record myself driving over there because it's kind of pointless to drive right down the street. But we're going to do a barbecue there, meet and greet and whatnot. And then one of the members of the Subaru group for the 805 is actually hosting a meet. So we're actually going to get together and then cruise to the meet. We're not part of the meet. We're just there, probably going to be doing some volunteer work and whatnot. But you get to see the Subaru side, and then you see whatever else cars there are at the actual meet. But let's get it, and I'll see when I get to the barbecue. Hopefully there's cars there, because I've never met any of these Subaru people, because I'm always working on the car and I'm always working. But hopefully there's people there. If not, it might be a bust. So let's get to it.
Many minutes later.
All right, I'm back. So the barbecue actually wasn't at the park near my house. They changed it because they didn't have any grills. So we ended up meeting at this other park in Ojai. It's about probably 15 minutes away from the house. I've been here for about an hour. We ate, chopped it up. Like I said, I didn't know anybody, and I don't know anybody, but getting to know people, it's cool. Everybody's younger. It's a younger crowd. I mean, seems like it, but I think we got about between 10 and 20 cars here. So I'm gonna get out, show the cars, and then not sure when, but we'll be leaving to go to the next actual meet car show or whatever it is. So let's do this, because kind of full. What's going on? So we actually just left about 20 minutes ago, and we arrived to the event. I was going to kind of GoPro it on the way, but we kind of had groups because of traffic and whatnot. So right now it's 1, 2, 3. It's 4 of us, 5 of us, 4 of us. Yes, 5 of us. I don't remember. It's 4 or 5 of us that's here. So I'm gonna get out and show you what this is. There's a lot of Subarus out here. It's pretty dope. So like I said, this is a new community to me. I don't know anybody, so yeah, it's gonna be a good show because we just pulled up and the street's full. This parking lot across the street. So I'll show you what they got out here. Hopefully you enjoy this because I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna keep getting some more videos of the cars, some pictures maybe. But yeah, this is a great turnout. Like, fucking amazing. All the cars are hot. We're doing some pulls on the highway.
Wait, I was about to say, time out. I was like, wait a minute. We don't call it that. So you said pump gas, I'm like, what's that?
I call it that.
But now I'm like this, I'm like, okay. You like reggae?
With that being said, before I wrap this video up, I did get some packages in the mail, so let me show you. Radium. Yes. I had completely forgot that I ordered this, but after going to the shop, I was like, oh, let me get this, let me get that. So some of the parts have been ordered. I'm missing the ABS relocation, the battery relocation. Ordered the injectors. I just don't know when they're gonna come in because it's California. So yeah, paper, More paper. Pretty. This is by Radium. This is not a catch can. This is an air to oil separator. You got the baffle inside. Ooh. I said, ever since the shop introduced me to Radium products, like, even though I haven't actually did anything with the products, like seeing the quality of them, fucking amazing. Bag of crap. Yeah, Radium stuff. More paper. Oh, the mount for it. I don't know what this is. And the hoses. So this will be installed shortly. Just don't know when. I gotta find the time. And the next box. Let's see what this is. Because this is not by Radium. More paper. More paper. More paper. So my Go Fast bits. What did I order from them? I know I already have a Boost controller. Let's see. Because this, like I said, it's Go Fast bits. But I don't remember what I ordered. Oh, pull. Is this my, I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is beefy. The Go Fast bits. This is the wastegate for the IS300. Ooh, shiny. I like this. I was like, I hope I didn't order another Boost controller. Wow, shit, I gotta send it back. So that's great. That's great. That's great news. What else? An HKS ball valve. Not a knockoff. An authentic ball valve. It even has the Japanese writing on it, which I don't understand. What the fuck is in my mouth? And one last thing. Okay. Got some from Gretty now. Before I show you. It even comes with a little placard. I think it's like a placard of authenticity or something. Who knows? But anyways. This is the Gretty. The how do you say this? The sandwich plate. So basically you're gonna connect this to where your oil filter goes and plug in your oil filter, and then I'll be able to run the oil cooler lines to here, as well as the turbo feed and a oil temp sensor as well. So it's good. So these are all things that I got. I should be dropping this off to the shop so they can have it on hand, and just wait for the injectors. But with that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video, because I got more content, more parts coming, especially for the Subie. Oh, I got one more part. So this box, I'm not gonna open. Is it upside down? Definitely is. This box I'm not gonna open. These are the lowering springs for the WRX. This will probably be the next thing that I do. So probably the next video will be me installing the lowering springs. As for the air oil separator, I don't know yet, because I don't know how to do that. But there's YouTube. Thanks guys on YouTube for our videos for that. But once again, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and stay tuned to the next video.